Welcome to our video. Today we will explore the fascinating journey of growing, harvesting, and processing guavas from the farm to the factory. Guavas are not only a delicious fruit, but also packed with nutrients and loved by many families. In this video, we'll dive into how guavas are cultivated, harvested, and processed in modern factories to create a variety of guava products. Let's get started. Guavas can easily be grown from seeds, but this method usually takes a relatively long time to bear fruit. Therefore, other propagation methods, such as air layering, are preferred as they ensure the saplings inherit the best traits from the parent tree. To propagate through air layering, healthy branches from a mature guava tree, typically 15 to 20 cm long, are selected and planted directly in the soil. Before planting, the branch is treated with root growth hormone to promote quick root development. After about 6 to 8 weeks in suitable conditions, the branch starts developing roots and leaves, marking the beginning of a new guava tree. After the guava trees are planted, the care phase begins to ensure healthy growth and good yield. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry months, but overwatering should be avoided as it can cause root rot. Proper watering helps maintain the right moisture levels for the trees and supports the flowering and fruiting process. Additionally, farmers use a combination of organic and chemical fertilizers to promote healthy growth, applying them periodically throughout the growing season. In addition, pruning plays a crucial role in the guava growing process as it helps improve air circulation, allows more sunlight to penetrate the canopy, and promotes healthy fruit development. By removing dead or diseased branches, thinning out overly dense areas, and maintaining the overall shape of the tree, growers can encourage new growth and ensure better and more productive harvests in the future. Pruning is typically carried out twice a year to ensure that the trees remain in their best condition for optimal growth. When guava fruits start to develop on the tree, they are easily affected by pests, birds, and bad weather, making fruit bagging very important. Farmers use methods such as covering guava fruits with biodegradable paper or nets to protect them from these harmful factors. Bagging helps prevent physical damage, pests, and diseases, while also allowing the fruits to ripen evenly in color and shape. Thanks to this method, growers can ensure that the guava fruits meet the highest quality standards by the time of harvest. Harvesting guavas requires precision and skill. The ideal time to harvest is when the fruit is fully ripe, which is often identified by a change in color from dark green to light green or yellow, depending on the variety. To avoid damaging the fruit, guavas are usually hand-picked, which helps keep them intact and unbruised during the harvesting process. After harvesting, guavas can be sold directly at markets. However, for higher quality guavas, they are selected and transported to the factory for further processing. The guava processing procedure for export at the factory is carried out professionally and meticulously. Right after harvest, the fresh guavas are passed through a filtering system for quality inspection. Skilled workers sort each fruit based on criteria such as size, color, and ripeness. After sorting the guavas into trays, the products are sent through an automatic cleaning system with specialized brushes to completely remove dirt and impurities. Next, the guavas are packed according to standard weights into large boxes or small bags, depending on market requirements. The final products are then transported for export, ensuring that they maintain their freshness and the highest quality when they reach international consumers. By 2023, India has become the world's largest exporter of guavas, with more than 100,000 tons exported annually. The largest import markets for Indian guavas include the United Arab Emirates, which accounts for about 30% of total imports, followed by Saudi Arabia and Bangladesh. In addition to fresh exports, guavas are also used to produce guava juice. The guava juice production process in factories is modern and fully automated. The guavas are first washed and then sent through a system to extract the pulp. The pulp is then combined with water and pure sugar in large containers, where the mixture is thoroughly stirred to ensure a perfect blend of ingredients. After sterilization, the juice is cooled and transferred to an automatic bottling machine. At this stage, the bottles are washed with treated water before the juice is filled and sealed. The finished product is labeled, barcoded, and goes through a heating process to apply protective shrink wrap. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the process of growing, harvesting, and processing guavas. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will explore more fascinating topics about the world of agriculture and food production. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. The harvest season in American agricultural regions is truly remarkable, characterized by the ceaseless operation of harvesting machines across countless fields. This documentary will delve into the extensive process of American farmers harvesting millions of tons of crops from the 2020-24 season. We begin our journey in the garlic fields. Garlic is a crop with stable market demand and is relatively easy to cultivate on a large scale. Nutrient-rich and well-drained soil is almost all that garlic needs. Its ability to withstand low winter temperatures and its preference for warmer summer temperatures ranging from 20 to 38 degrees C make it well-suited for temperate climates. California and Texas are two of the most important garlic-producing states in the U.S. Garlic plants develop into small bulbs about a month before they are fully mature, and some farmers harvest young garlic during this stage as a seasonal delicacy. The process of garlic bulb formation depends on day length and is triggered by 12 hours of sunlight per day. Typically, garlic varieties require 9 to 10 months to grow and mature, though there are short-season varieties that can be harvested in about 5 to 6 months. The garlic harvest season ranges from late June to August. Farmers start harvesting when the tops begin to turn yellow and fall over, but before they dry out completely. For large-scale garlic harvesting, mechanized harvesters are essential. A specialized shaker plate shakes the garlic bulbs to remove the soil before trimming the stems. A conveyor belt then transports the garlic bulbs to the harvester's storage bin. Farmers allow garlic to dry completely in the field to ease harvesting and improve storability. Once the roots and outer layers have dried, farmers cut the roots and clean off the dirt, storing the garlic bulbs in a cool place at around 13 to 414 degrees. More than 30 U.S. states grow watermelons, with the harvest season starting on the East Coast and extending west and north across the country for months. High season varies slightly depending on the region, but for most, watermelons are best from May to September. Harvest time ranges from 100 to 120 days depending on the region and type of watermelon. Florida, Georgia, and California are the top watermelon producing states, with a total harvest of about 2.9 billion pounds of watermelon each year. Farmers determine watermelon ripeness by checking if the skin lights up, white spots turn yellow, and the fruit makes a loud sound when tapped. Harvesting is done manually with sharp tools, ensuring careful handling to avoid skin damage. Harvesting takes place in dry weather, with watermelons placed bottom down to prevent sunburn. Most fields are picked twice during the season, with each plant yielding 2 to 3 fruits. A team of workers cuts the watermelons, flips them to indicate readiness, and then another team picks them up and loads them onto trucks for packaging. Sugarcane grows predominantly in Texas, Louisiana, and Florida. Florida alone accounts for about 50% of the cane sugar produced in the U.S., contributing to 20% of the total sugar consumption in the country. But The Florida sugar industry has an annual income of over $800 million and a total economic value of over $1 billion. Mature sugar cane plants grow up to 10 feet tall, and harvesting occurs from September to January using mechanical machines. Mechanized harvesting reduces average harvesting time from 32 hours to just 6 to 12 hours, increasing efficiency and profitability. Farmers harvest a sugarcane crop every 3 to 5 years. Southern Louisiana's annual rainfall of 68 inches creates harsh conditions, but sugarcane harvesting continues regardless of weather. Harvesters, often mounted on tracks to navigate muddy fields, cut and process the cane, leaving leaves in the field as fertilizer. The cane stalks are cut into smaller pieces and transferred to trucks for processing. Each cherry season in the U.S. produces around 245,000 tons of cherries. With the harvest season typically lasting from May to July. Farmers prioritize picking ripe berries from each branch until the cherry fields are exhausted. It involves placing cherries into large bins and cooling them to maintain quality. Farms often require 80 to 120 workers who start picking at 5 a.m. and work until it gets too hot. Cherries are cooled with hydrogen to ensure they remain firm and of high quality. The United States is one of the world's largest blueberry producers, with an average annual production of around 700 million pounds. Blueberries are grown in more than 26 states and can be planted in spring or late fall. The blueberry season can begin as early as March and last until May. Mechanical harvesters are used to pick blueberries for the fresh market. Farmers ensure a thorough configuration, maintaining a narrow canopy and sufficient row clearance for harvesting equipment. It's particularly those for wine, are delicate and easily damaged. Most commercial harvesters use roller beaters or stem vibrators to remove the fruit from the vine. Mechanical harvesting is cost-effective and suitable for large vineyards on flat land. Harvesters can run 24 hours a day, equipped with lights for night harvesting, ensuring grapes are picked quickly and efficiently. Peanut harvesters effectively save labor and reduce intensity. The process involves using a peanut digger to cut roots and invert plants, allowing peanuts to dry in the field. Once the moisture content is about 10%, combines collect the peanuts, which are then cleaned and stored. The harvester combines digging, lifting, and reversing operations, ensuring minimal breakage and high picking rates. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of American farming. We hope you found this documentary both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating agricultural content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Stay tuned for more episodes, and until next